Hi, I'm Tony. Um, I'm going to comment on the 奇门遁甲 lesson 2. So basically what I learned is that we have to use a 奇门遁甲 for good only because of the universe law of cause and effect. So whatever good or bad we do actually comes back to us ultimately. So lesson 2, a large part is learned about the 8 trigrams in the 9 palaces and boxes and how it relates to answering clients' questions. So I'm going to give an overview for the 8 trigrams in the 9 boxes. So for palace 1, which is the Kan, is actually representing water, being stuck in water. There's danger, deep hole, loss, and worries. And palace 8, which is Geng, it represents Earth, which is a large mountain, relates to obstacles, difficulties, and being trapped. Palace 3 is Zhen, lightning, so things can quickly happen and quickly finish, fast activity. Palace 4 will be like a compass, directionless at the start, but things will get better but slowly. Palace 9, which is Li, it represents a fireworks, so it's very beautiful and glamorous. But the good thing is always short-lived, so it means that it's only great at the beginning, but it will soon be gone. And Palace 2 is a Kun, Earth. It represents the mother. So it's slow, draggy, but in good hands and in good environment, and representing that things will be well taken care of. Palace 7, which is Tui, it means a perfect environment, joy, safety, peaceful. So the symbol that reminds for this box would be the smiley face. Yeah. And for the last palace 6, which is Qian, representing water of extreme yang, referring to the father. So probably things can be controlled here, and there's a good sign to act and take action for this box. So when answering the client's question or our own question, right, the asker is always referring to the day box, the top symbol. So we'll look for the top symbol in the palace. And the answer will be referring to the hour top symbol. So we look for the top one in the palace. If there's emptiness, Kong, present in the palace, it means that the answer is invalid in the palace. So the answer will be in the opposite palace. If the horse or Ma is present in the palace, it represents that things are unstable or related to overseas. So the answer box, when we analyze the answer, we will look at it on on a multiple angle. So we'll relate the answer box to the respective trigrams characteristics which I've just described and learned. And we also look at, more importantly, whether there are more good or bad elements in the box itself to determine whether it's favorable or unfavorable answer to the question. So at this juncture for lesson 2, these are the 2 factors that plays a part in the answer to questions. Yeah. So we'll get to learn more in the upcoming classes from Master Chan. Thank you so much for lesson 2. Bye bye.